Assalamualaikum everyone and good morning. Long time later, I'm making this video because nowadays I'm in busy with different works. By the way, so behind me you're seeing that this is a rivers and this is a Samoti rivers, and it's around 6 o'clock. I just fresh and come here, and also behind in front of me this is a stairs on some madrasa. It's newly made, just recent years. And if I say about this is rivers has a lot of stories. Once upon a times, like 1 decade ago, this river was used for catching fish. Also, this is a monsoon time. If you see the stairs is full of the water, so it's around monsoon time. So, but the water color is not good, like water condition is absolutely bad due to different reasons, the garbage of people, the waste of different, the water turns into like this. And also you're seeing the water hyacinth behind me, and it's going slowly, it's not tight, probably it's the eve time. But it is going slowly, it's turning to tight very soon, like next 1 hour. So more things it will happen. So after staying on the stairs, I'll talking to you. So this is a stairs actually here, and it's very beautiful. So I know actually this is thing. So this is a one of the branch of Islam. It's not a good thing. Also there is a bridge behind it. You should see about it. Okay, it's very beautiful village where actually I am live in the last 20 years. So overall it's very good, like one kind of God gifted thing. You cannot find out this type of beautiful village other side of other world of the country except this Bangladesh. Okay, so this is also one of the system of catching fishes, or one of the oldest fish catching fish. They are very expert, they know when the catch will come. Sometimes I see them to catch fish in the early morning, sometimes I see them in the night, at the night. Also you'll see there is another stairs. This is one kind of a stairs that is called ghat, which is used for bathing or taking a shower. Very important place because it is used or it is made due to different reason. Like nowadays there is no perfect place for bathing, especially in monsoon time, because everywhere is full of the water. As a result, there is no enough space to go to the river to keep his body for cleaning. So for this it is one of the familiar in this village, or this type of village to make it, because for bathing. And also it's a very beautiful, there is no person but I'm hearing the sounds of birds, and more things is very good for me. It's very absolutely beautiful nature. And after long time later, long days later, usually I got chance to get up in the early morning. Nowadays I get up 7 o'clock, but today I get up actually before the 6 o'clock. The best reason for making video for my audience, to show you the most beautiful village side in the early morning, what is actually in my village, and for this to showing it. So I didn't take the distance, so for that you will understand, or you will see the most things surrounding. Also you can see it all the about this, and it's very gorgeous. So if you live in a city, then you can realize how beautiful a village is, or if you live in a village you can understand actually how beautiful a village is also. But different purpose you can observe if you live in village, or you cannot observe if you live in a city. So that's it actually it. So we should take care about this river, not only this but also others. So in Bangladesh there is other familiar rivers like Karnafuli rivers, Jamuna rivers, Padma river, and also in Dhaka there is a famous river Buriganga river. That system or that type or condition is also like this, it is getting also like that due to that system of garbage. Although there is a lot of garbage behind it, if you see, just look, the baby diapers and bottles and other things people throw on the water every day, because the pool or the pond beside the house is getting decreased day by day. Those those are being filled with sand due to this reason. So all garbage of the human, all garbage of the animals, all of the things are being thrown into the water, and water turns into like this. Like it is not like normal view of the river. Actually, in the morning, monsoon time, like 1 decade ago, we understand that like all the water is clean, the fresh, and we can easily take it the water for our cooking, for our washing the clothes. But if you bath this type of water, you face irritations, you'll feel like boring, you feel a bad smell, etc. things is available this type of water. So we should take protection, we should take care of this water, of this river, if you really want to keep our environment safe. I hope this video must help you to understand, to show my Riverside, how beautiful a village where actually I live in. I hope this video must help you so you can practice like this, so to develop your speaking. So till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, develop your speaking. Goodbye for now.